My name is Ronnie Tremper. I work for CalPortland Construction, and I'm the aggregate and asphalt operations manager here, and we're in Atascadero, California. So CalPortland is a cement company. We produce a mixture of concrete aggregate as well as asphalt aggregate and Class 2 road base. This quarry was established in 1985. We've been here for 40 years. CalPortland took over in 2008. Our challenges that we were facing in the quarry were our pattern for drilling and blasting. We wanted to open up the pattern to get larger rock, so we wanted a jaw with a bigger opening that could accept bigger material.
With our old jaw, we were running less, about 3 to 4 days a week. We were having breakdowns, and with the new McLanahan 3254, we've doubled efficiency, went from 150 tons an hour to over 300 tons an hour through the jaw, so everything's working great. The maintenance is virtually nothing. It's awesome. The McLanahan 3254 jaw has helped save on cost. With efficiency and having such a short crew here, less running time, but more production has been the best.
McLanahan was very helpful in the process of installation of the jaw. We had a tech on site through the whole process, and any issues that came up were able to get answered right away. Once we pulled the old one out and put the new one in, I think we were running it within 3 days.
So the overall operation of the McLanahan jaw, super easy and turnkey for myself, our foreman, anybody that's ran the tower. Very easy to just go in there, operate it. It never breaks down. It's very user-friendly.
Overall, we've been very happy with the McLanahan jaw here at Rocky Canyon.